Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do this mashed potato today with tuna, canned tuna. I've also got anchovy in there. I love doing this. I like to sort of serve this up, you know, when I'm doing some salad and stuff like that. Nice kind of budget kind of dish as well, I think. Feeds the family. There's a lot there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at our mashed potato. I'm not going to show you how to make it because I'm sure that, you know, it's quite obvious. But what I did was I got potatoes, I peeled them, I put them into cold water with some salt, and I boiled them until they were super soft. Drained the water off, gave them a mash. I also added some black pepper to it. Now, usually when I make mashed potato, if I'm using it on the side, I'll be adding some cream or milk, so, you know, and some other bits and pieces like butter. But that's just mashed potato with black pepper. I've got there about 10 or 12 cups. What you want to do is get it into the dish that you're going to use in the oven. I'm going to be using glass. You can use ceramic or you can use metal. Let's move on. Okay, so I've got over a tablespoon of garlic. I want to put quite a lot of garlic in this, but a tablespoon would be fine. 2 teaspoons of paprika, sweet paprika I'm using, and 2 of cumin, which I think is going to be a nice little combo for this. Half a cup of celery, a large white onion, which is about 2 cups there of onion, which I've cut, you know, fairly small. And you just saw the anchovies. There's 2 cans of those. Completely optional. I mean, a lot of people don't like anchovy, so, you know, opt out if you don't fancy it, but I think it is wonderful in there. And then the tuna, you saw me use 3 of those cans. There's about 3 cups in total. I'm going to drain most of the oil off of that and most of the oil off of that. But yeah, let's get to the cooker, get this together. So I've got some olive oil in there. I'm using just like a tablespoon or so. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. I've just put the heat on slightly above medium heat. In goes the celery with the onion. We can drop the garlic in now. I'm now going to add some black pepper and some salt, and we're going to just cook this for about 4 minutes. Really simple this is. Beautiful. Now, I've used celery in there, but if you don't like that, you could be loading this up with, you know, get some grated carrot in there or some other sort of vegetable that you want, some bell peppers, some sweet corn. You can bulk it out however you want. Let's get those anchovies in. Let's get the tuna in. And let's get the cumin and the sweet paprika. So, both of my canned fish were in oil. If you get your tuna maybe in water, you need to drain that all off. You don't want any of the water in here. So I reduced down most of the oil in both of them. Left a little bit. Now really simply what we're going to do is we're going to go for about another 5 or 6 minutes, stirring away, and we've done this. What happens then is we're going to mix this into the potato. Delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. That's a fab little mixture. So if you want, you can get your potato into your pan, depending on how big it is, and mix it, or stick it in a mixing bowl and get it together. Either way, that's what we need to do next. So a nice little mix there. Then I'll put it back into my glass oven-proof dish. Get that in the oven. Now, everything's cooked in there. We're just bringing it together. So it's going to be in my oven about 200 for, I don't know, maybe 12 minutes or so. Job done, super easy. Absolutely wonderful. So what you can do is serve that straight away if you want. It's a little bit soft. What I like to do is let it cool down a bit, and then you can kind of cut it up into lovely shapes. Really nice and easy. Yeah, I love that one. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.